So you can now check your final allocation for Navigate AI. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, or you are here to subscribe to the channel, know where to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel, link in the description and comment section of this video. So the final allocation for both Snapshot 1 and Snapshot 2 for Navigate AI is finally out. So a few hours ago, you can see it said the TGE allocation checker is live. And then if you check the description and comment section of this video, you're going to see the link for you to check your final allocation. They said how to check: enter your Navigate AI ID, then enter the email associated with your account. So you're going to, with that, you're going to see your final allocation. I'm going to leave the link for you to actually check it here. And if you want to check, you discover, so this is the checker here. So you're going to enter your Navigate AI ID, like here, then your email. So you're going to put there, you check your allocation. It's that simple. So now there are some things you actually need to know. So the thing is, a lot of people are disqualified. A lot of people check your account to discover, they say you are not eligible, and it's a big problem. And from what we have here, he said we have cut the cord on some folk to keep the things fair and square, fair and rewarding contributor. He said we filter 700,000 plus accounts down to 77,000. So this is what I want to say here. Is that removing bots and bad actors? In my own opinion, this is actually not true. The reason is this: personally, for my own account, I only have one account, and I don't have double account. I don't use both. But when I checked, I discovered that they said I'm not eligible. I was eligible for the first snapshot, but now checking, they said I'm not eligible. I didn't see any allocation, which to me, this is not right. I'm not a bad actor. I never used any bot for any referral or anything. I just introduced to my community because I have a large community. Please, the recent post about allocation checker, if you still feel there is an error, then please proceed with opening a ticket in our Discord, and someone from our team will be with you as soon as possible. So now there is a mistake in what they do. So they've actually opened another channel where you can actually make an appeal so that they can actually review it. So, and the Discord link is here, you can see. And I've actually opened the Discord link, so I'm still waiting for their reply. So this is the message. I opened a ticket after using the, so here, for those of you having issue like this, so I said I noticed that my previous allocation is no longer visible after the second snapshot review, despite having received it earlier. This seems to be an error, as I only have one account and I've not engaged in any bot related activity. I have not. Did you check the system again? I have not. I did not. I've never done that. So then I give them my details and all the likes. So they said provide screenshot of allocation checker. Then I did provide. So I'm still waiting for their reply. So if you fall in this category, please go and appeal. Just follow the same pattern I actually followed. Then wait for their reply, provided you've actually not cheated. You get the point. So now for those who have seen the allocation, you'll be able to claim your allocation just few hours. Just 1 hour to the listing time. That's when the claiming button will be activated. You get the point. So if you still have any issue, drop it in the comment section, or most importantly, join my Telegram channel. You'll be able to actually point your query. Then we have a large community. We help ourselves to actually make money online. You get the point. So see you at the top.